Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda with Creative Crochet with Rhonda. It's been a while. I have happy mail. Oh my goodness, let's take a look. Hi there, welcome. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I posted a video and I'm really sorry for that. I've been so busy. So I've been making blankets 3, but I frogged 2. I've been using fuzzy yarn and I thought I would like to show you something that's complete. I think it has better impact. It's more fun to show you something once it's done. So I've been busy with that. I was busy with Canada Day, and now with concerts coming back, COVID has shut them all down. Prior to this, where all the summer outdoor concerts were canceled, now they're all over. So I've been attending concerts, having a great time, but I've been not really on YouTube much. And then I got this happy mail, and I think this must be heaven, because this must be sent by an angel. This is 14 pounds of goodness. I know some stuff that's inside, sort of. I can't remember. So this is a thing. This angel, I feel like I'm in heaven. This is heaven sent by an angel. She wants to be known only as M, and I say M is for Marvelous. And Miss Marvelous, if you're watching, thank you, thank you. I'm going to open it now. I promised you I would open it online. Look at this. It's huge. It's heavy. And there's a lot of surprises in here. I can't wait to see it. So Miss Marvelous took me on a virtual shopping trip to Hobby Lobby when there was a sale, because I'm in Canada and I don't get to shop at Hobby Lobby. It's not a Canadian store. I had no idea she's just going to send it to me as a beautiful gift, and wow, I'm touched, really touched. So I've got my scissors handy and I'm going to see what's inside. Like, I'm kind of freaking out, really. Okay, so I have to stand up. This is like way big. Wow. Okay, so M said she's sending me the yarn that when we went on a virtual shopping trip, she's sending that, plus she's sending some added goodies. I have a new granddaughter. She said she's sending a surprise for her as well. And wow, I just celebrated my birthday, and this is like a really major birthday present, a real celebration of yarny goodness. So wow. There's a lot. So I'll just show you my first impression of what's in here. This woman, oh, this is like unbelievable. So I'm just going to take things out one at a time and see what's in here. Sorry about the noise. I'll cut it open a little bit more. I have to say that I have never received anything like this, and I am really touched. And there's a lot in here. Wow. Okay. Wow. I might have to do this in 2 parts, because there's a lot here. So here's the first one. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So this is a vacuum sealed bag. We talked about these spun colors, and this is just beautiful, beautiful yarn. Look at that. So beautiful. So this is spun colors, and this is considered a medium 4-weight. It's hand wash, lay flat to dry, 65% acrylic, 35% fine superwash merino in this gorgeous color. Soft, soft, soft. 419 yards. 7 ounces or 200 grams. Premier yarn. And look at the colors in this. It's got purple and orange and yellow, and I can make something really pretty, and there's so many in here. Okay, so there's 2 here and another 3 in here. That's a lot. I can make something really nice with that. Oh, this is so cute. This is what she must have meant for my granddaughter. This is adorable. This is called Top This, 1 ball of 3 continuous textures. Wow. So this is a hat pattern. It might be knitting. It's 80 grams to make a really cute hat. And this one has a little snowflake. This is so cute. I love it. Thank you, Em. And this is a chain spun. I hope I don't have dirty nails. I've been at a concert tonight. and then I came home because I was doing some video and I had to wait for my phone to charge, so it's late. But I had to open this, and I promised you I was going to open it, and here I am. I couldn't wait till tomorrow. So this is very cute, and it will make a really cute hat. And it's like a white with this cute light blue snowflake with little violet colored dots. How cute is that? There's another one. I love ladybugs. Look at this. This is so cute. Wow. This is so cute. I think there's a pattern inside. It might be, it's a knitting pattern, but that doesn't matter because I could crochet a hat and put this on top. That's like really adorable. And it's nice, really soft yarn. 1 ball of 3 continue. Oh, wow. It's got sparkles inside. Can you see that? And then there's fluffiness, and it's 3 different textures and at least 2 different colors. That is so cute. So this one also has 3 textures. I bet this has sparkles in here somewhere too. Wow, it's got like a rainbow of colors in there. That's amazing. So these ones are both 80 grams each, perfect for 1 hat. They are 31% polyester, 41% acrylic, 28% nylon, and the character is 100% polyester. They are hand wash, I believe. Just pure adorableness with all these beautiful colors. This is going to be so much fun, and it's going to be really cute to see my granddaughter wearing one or both, depending on what I do with them. Very cute. I love it. Love it. Oh, I love Premier Yarn. We talked about this. This is Bloom Chunky by Premier. Self-striping floral print. And also really cute, pretty, girly. It's got some lime green and fuchsia pink and light aqua and darker, like a green. Look how pretty that is. And soft. Really nice. 100% acrylic, bulky 5. So nice. Goodness, how many are in here? Miss M, you're amazing. I'm like, okay, speechless. I'm usually not speechless, but this is making me speechless. So how many of these? There's so many. I see something she told me about. Wait till I show you. You're not going to believe this. Okay, so there's 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. And so pretty. I'm going to be making all kinds of girly stuff. And this is so soft. Each one is 109 yards, but it's a bulky 5. So it's a nice size. It's a nice amount. And this is the color Daisy. And it is 100% acrylic, 100 grams, and so pretty. I love the label too. It's got these pretty flowers on it, and it does look so flowery. That's a lot. 6 of them. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Ooh, this is so soft. Yarn Bee Mustard, and I know I chose this one. This is a really thin one. This is considered, I don't even know what size it is. I think it's a 2. This would make a really nice shawl. It's so soft. Really pretty. So this one is Yarn Bee 44th Street in Mustard. So you can see the label here. And this is part of the Hobby Lobby sale. This is 70% acrylic, 30% polyamide. It says to use a 4.5mm crochet hook. But it seems really kind of thin for 4.5. Really delicate, really soft, and what a pretty color. It looks yellower here than it is. It's actually a darker gold. Really pretty. And then, oh, this is so pretty too. And I remember seeing this, such a soft, light pink. This is Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek DK. Low pill fiber, and it's called Lemonade, pink lemonade for sure. And this one is recommended hook size 4.5 as well, but I would consider probably a smaller hook, I would imagine. And this one, I'm looking for the fiber on this one. It's 100% low pill acrylic. And it is made in Turkey, and it's very soft and a very lightweight yarn. So meant for dainty work for a dainty little girl. Pretty color. There's one other thing in this package, in this particular package, and this is something that Em told me about, and I said, I've never tried it, and she's so excited, and I'm so excited. It's a Furls Streamline hook. I have never tried a Furls. I've always been using Clover hooks. And I'm so excited to open this. My cat is excited too. It feels so substantial. Wow. Wow. Look at this. So this is a Furls Streamline. It's metallic. It's beautiful. And this is a 6mm Furls hook. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try this. I've never tried a hook like this. Look how beautiful that is. That's amazing. So that's bag number 1. I know there's more. As if that's not enough. How much time am I taking? I think I should have a part 2. Oh yes, I'm gonna have a part 2. I hope you'll come back to see the next pouch because there's another large one. So just to go over it again, I've got 4 of these beautiful Yarn Bee 44th Street in Mustard. Soft, really soft. I've got 6 of these Premier Bloom Chunky. So 6 of those. I've got 1 of these Soft and Sleek Low Pill Fiber Acrylic by Yarn Bee. And this is in the colorway Lemonade. And I've got 5 of these Spun Colors. And this is the colorway Iris, which I didn't mention before. And really nice size. And then 2 of these adorable little packages of yarn with the 3 different fibers and these cute little toppers to make adorable hats. I can make 2 of those. Really cute. So that's this package, and this is amazing. I love it. I can't wait to try some of this yarn. I am finishing my blanket. I finally got it right. I made a blanket 3 times with the same yarn, frogged it twice, and I'm finally happy with my result, which I'm going to show you very soon. I'm getting close to completion. That's why I've been taking so long with everything going on in my life and having some failures with this blanket. And so I haven't run away. I'm still here. Please watch all the way through. If you like my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, do that and help me out here. And thank you, Em. I'm going to have a second video. So come back for part 2 to see what other yarny goodness I got from this lovely angel of a woman. Great happy mail. It's my first happy mail, and I'm so appreciative. Have a great day, and I hope you have some of the same happiness that I've been given today. And that's my cat chewing plastic if you hear that sound down there. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now.